Hello and welcome to another video about Unreal Engine 5. In this video we'll improve the AI because it had some problems. Uh, as you see, let me show you. The pawn sensing component does not sense when the pawn gets out of the radius, so it keeps shooting at the helicopter even when I am away, and even if it doesn't see me and outside the radius, and also it keeps shooting without stop. So I will add ammo, and let me get this out of the way. I will add ammo so it reloads after shooting for a while. Also, I will make it when the player gets away from the sight radius, the shooting stops. Now, let's start. Just let me clear this thing. Now we left the AI before. Now what we will change is I will not use the AI perception because it will add more complications to the this AI. I want it to be simple. I don't want it to be complicated, and don't want to use AI controller and behavior tree. So what I will do is I will check if the player is within the sight radius of the AI, and if it is within the radius, the AI should shoot. If it's away outside the radius, outside the sight radius, the AI should stop shooting. Now let me start with getting the actor location of the pawn and get the actor location of the AI and subtract two location to get the distance between them. I will need the Z value. Let me just get this out of the way. Now I also need the sight radius. Get sight radius. Let me also check if the sight radius is more than the distance between the AI and the player, which means that the player is within the radius, so the AI can shoot at it. I will set this as the can see player and add another branch here to make the AI only shoot and respond only to the player. Now what we I want to add is ammo. I added here a float. I'll make it 25, and let me check if the ammo is more than 0. It is more than 0, so we can shoot. If it is less than 0, also let me subtract 1 to decrease the ammo by 1, and you want to clamp it so it does not go below 0 and 25. and set the ammo. Get them out of the way. Now if the ammo is 0 or below, we need to stop shooting, clear and invalidate camera handle, and then we'll add a delay, reload time 3 seconds. Then we will set the ammo as 25 again. Now let me check. Now let's add a string here to check if the reload is working. Let me decrease the radius to 2500. Now let's check. Now if we fly, it killed me. Let me decrease the damage. We make it 1 and the minimum is 0. Now let's test it again. Go towards the AI. Let's increase the side radius to 5000 because 2500 is too small for us, and let me increase the rate of fire to make it shoot faster. Now let's test it again. Now let's see. Shooting at me. There's no ammo. Reloads. Again. Reloads. better. Now let's add a uh, let's put delay. Or no, not need delay. Now let's add some effects. Now I added the shooting uh, effects from also it's from the uh, vigilante content. Let's activate it. Let me show you from the start. Here we add Niagara particle system. We choose the ZU-23 gunfire, and we attach it to the gun int. Change the location for the to make it near the barrel. Now we uncheck the auto activate, and here on fire, here the custom event fire, from the true we make it, we set it as activated, activate. And when there is no ammo here, when it is reloading and there is no ammo, we should deactivate it. Deactivate. Deactivate. And also want to deactivate the deactivate the effect when I'm away from the outside the sight radius. We deactivate the effects here when I am away from the AI, and also we clear and invalidate the handle timer to stop shooting. Now let's also I will add, let me just comment on this. Shooting and here when seeing player. Let me delete this. Now let's add health and destroy the gun when we shoot at it. Health, set it to 100 or whatever you want. 100 maybe low. Let me increase the damage of the gun, make it 50, and the minimum damage 15. Now let's get back to the gun. Let me delete this old code. here. That's radial damage, event radial damage. Where is this one? An event radial damage. Let's make a function called update health. Update health. With an input float, call it health. To be the same as our the same as the function in our main character, or in our helicopter branch. Check if the health, I mean this is damage, not health. Damage is more than, no, sorry, health. Health is more than 0. Then need to get the health minus the damage. And set health. Just to make sure, clamp the float better. 0 and 100. And no, the health, sorry, below or equal to 0. If it's true, we should spawn the static mesh. Now let me make a destroyed version actor vp destroyed underscore aa underscore gun static mesh. Is it you? We need to make sure if it has collision. Let's make collision first. Auto convex or remove collision. No, let's make it simple collision, simplified collision, and change it later. Now let's make it simulate physics and generate it result, and add Niagara ZU-23 damaged. Now let's go back to our or AA gun. Here, spawn actor from class, destroyed AA gun, and get actor transform. I need to destroy the actor now. Bring here the details. Let's just make sure our print string here. See if the health is decreasing. Now let's check. Now let's fly. Let me see why it doesn't register any hits. Let me check here. Let's check if it's registering anything or not. Let's try here. Let me check what's wrong. I think I found the problem. In the collision, nothing. Make it custom. Visibility is I think I found the problem. Here in the physics asset, we need to check generated events. This is because I use the component hit, because some of the projectiles I made simulate physics, because when they hit, if they are not simulating physics and using the projectile stop event, when they hit vehicles, because the vehicle is simulating physics and the projectile is not simulating physics, some weird things happen sometimes. If a bullet hits a tank, it sends the tank flying away, so not be realistic. So I set the projectiles to be simulating physics and use the component hit instead of projectile stop, because when the projectile simulating physics, projectile stop event is not working. This is why I need to if you use this, you need to check the generate hit if event on on the skeletal mesh here, and also on the physics asset. Now let's try it. Now let's still not working. Let me see why. I found the problem. The problem was you need to change the object type of the skeletal mesh to pawn to make it register damage. Now let's test it. Now it's once, twice. Now it's destroyed. Let me fly near it to check. Now let's add an explosion when it is destroyed. For me, I will add the explosions I used for the rockets, and we can change it later. We can make another spawn system at location. Get actor location. And get actor rotation. I will use the homing missile explosion. Also, for the sound, you can use any sound you want. Unfortunately, I do not have free sounds that I can give you, but I think the starter content has some good sounds. Be sure. Nice. But later I will make I will make a new effects for for the explosion. I will find some good sounds. Now we are finished the AI and it can shoot at us. We can destroy it. For the next videos, I will make AI vehicles, tanks, and trucks that can move on zipline, and also that can utilize the navigation mesh and move to any location that you specify. Thank you for watching.